Hey guys, Jack699 and welcome back to another video. Yeah, it was just a bit frozen, guys. Today, guys, I'm just finishing food. Today, guys, we will be doing the final, well, not the final, but the first giveaway for the week. It's the end of the week, guys, and if you're wondering, Jack, why didn't you dress and go? Wish your bed looked like a mess. Guys, for the past 2 days, I've been ill like hell. I've had headaches, coughs. I couldn't walk properly. I've just been ill in general. But today we'll be giving away the Robux. Some of you might ask what Robux. Pretty much every week I'll be giving away Robux, like around the most is 10 Robux up to. So 5 Robux to 2 people. So 2 people will be winning. All you have to do is just subscribe to the channel, and surprisingly we have 84 members. I did not know that many people would join. By the way, this guy's not actually got the Robux yet. I think he was just being sarcastic. Well, we got 17 people that we have to go through. Oh my god, it's gonna be so much. Okay, so 7 pages worth. Guys, you better hit that subscribe button. Every week I'll be doing this. So yeah, let's do this. Some of you might be wondering how to do this. Well, pretty much I have 2 monitors, and it's a bit confusing, but pretty much I have 2 monitors. And I'm looking at the names on this side, and I think it's wheeldecide.com. So I have 70 people who could win here. So I just gotta put in the names. So this might take me quite a while, guys, but I think it'll be worth it. Let's do it. Okay, so that's the first set of people done. Let's go to the second set. Okay, so that's the first and second set done right now. Let's go into the third one. Okay, after about 15 minutes, these are all the names. 70 people. You're probably wondering, Jack, it says 80 people. 3 people are builders, which help me for the game option designs. I have 10 admins, which are all my friends, and then there's 1 left, which is me. So these are 70 people right here, guys. It's going to be all on the wheel. I'm going to apply. There's going to be so many names. Oh my god, you can't even see any. Hot Wheels 846. So let's go. Group admin. By the way, guys, if you wanna buy, oh god, I lost the group friends. I'm gonna go into roles. No, I'm gonna go into roles and admins. I'm just gonna, because I feel a bit unsafe. Okay, right. I'm just saying that because I don't know, something could happen. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to rebuy my t-shirt. That's not really a big problem. My other t-shirt did not. What's going on? I don't know what's going on. I'll just refresh. I think my internet just crashed for a second. But as you can see, that is my username. So if anyone does want to just find out. Don't put the apostrophe. That's just there for Roblox reasons, I guess. Anyways, so that's how I guess you join the group, and every week, I guess we added more people. Okay. So my store, I've got my own t-shirt. So if you guys want to buy it, I'll be so grateful if you actually buy my t-shirt, because it shows that you supported me. So I have to delete this for some reason, and then I have to buy it again. I don't know, I think one of my admins by accident bought something with my group funds. I did have 17, I literally don't know what happened to them. So yeah, I guess I'll just I'll go back to here. And who is the person that won? Who won again? Who won? It was like Hot Wheels something. Where's that person? Where's Hot Wheels? Here we go. This is the person. Okay. So then let's go to group admin. As you can see, I have 10 Robux. I'm gonna give this person 5 Robux. So I don't know how to cancel that. So this person, congratulations, this guy, you are just been given 5 Robux. It's not a lot, guys. Hey, it's Robux. And then we'll finally do the other 5 for the other person. So let's randomize this. Who's it gonna be? Jengo Jr. Where's Jengo Jr.? Jengo, here he is. Alright, so those are the 2 winners of the week. Congratulations to both of them, as they won, I guess. Jengo Jr. is not in the group anymore? Are you sure? Wait, let me check. Let me just check, just in case. Jengo. I gotta check every single one. Has he left? Did he leave while I was looking at his name? Jengo. Oh wait, I just passed him. Well, I mean, I can't read his name, so he is in my group. Oh no, oh god, did I just click an ad? No, I didn't mean to click an ad. I want to do this in front of everyone, so it's not like a oh my god, these stupid ads. Okay, wait, yeah, there you go. Right, I want to do it in front of everyone, so no one can say, oh, look, this guy's just like, we can pick accounts for it. So for some reason, okay, there you go, his name shows up. 5. Oh, we don't want 50, we want 5. Alright, so that is my Robux given up for the week, guys. If you do want to enter, just subscribe to the channel, comment down below either your name, and you have to join the group. If you don't join the group, I cannot give you Robux, unfortunately. So just join the group, and it'll just be randomized every single I'd set myself every single week, guys. And just to prove, I'm just gonna show another name, so it's not these two, literally. So I'll just click another one, I guess. This person won't win if they saw this. Oh, okay, that was convenient. What? Okay. Yeah. See. So, sorry if this person thought they were gonna win, but it could be next week. We don't know. So every week I'll be giving out two people 5 Robux each. It's not a lot, guys, but it is Robux up to June, so that's quite a bit of Robux. But anyways, my name has been Jack699, and thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys next time. And also, forgot to say, next week, on Monday, the video for the Royal Rumble results, my live reactions will be uploaded, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.